few things or two about how to protect our forests, how to protect jungles. So what I know of the difference between forest and jungle is forest is a place on earth that is not really dangerous as jungle. What I know, jungles is very much untouched, very much untamed, and a lot of crazy things in there in jungles. And jungles is very much more crowded, full of species, plants and animals. But snakes, of course. But forest, what I know, is not as wild as crowded as forest. Like in Indonesia, we have tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest. And Indonesia, we divided forests or categorized forests into several things, like forest for industry, forest for protection or preservation, like national parks, and other kind of forests that the government has regulated for Indonesian people to hit the regulations so that they don't break the laws about using the forest. Usually forest belongs to the government, but citizens can make use of the forest for them, but they have to follow the rules that related to the forest. For example, if they cut down trees, they have to replant so that it will prevent natural disasters like landslides or floodings. And also we have to stop littering in the forest, because somewhere in the forest maybe there is no forest rangers or forest police, but citizens or people should know that littering in the forest will cause a lot of natural disasters. And plastics is very, very dangerous for the forest, because plastic can take thousands of years to decompose, right? I think I want to tell you about the facts that the Earth consists of 40 million square kilometers of forest. It is equal the size of Canada and African continent combined. You know, the size of land area of Earth is 510 square kilometers. So it's 470 more square kilometers, not forests, including desert like Sahara is one of the biggest deserts, Gobi in China, and also in US, and many other deserts, and also lakes like Lake Baikal or Caspian Sea or Black Sea, and other parts like shoreline does not include into forest, shorelines or beach. And what else? What I can say is when you go to the forest, or when you have something to do with the forest, you have to hit some regulations about forests. Like you should cut only mature trees. You know, the trees that has grown up, and the age of the trees is enough for the timber to make a house, to make furniture and something else. And forest helps us reduce pollution. As you guys said before, forest is the lung of the world. Anywhere in the world, forest helps us breathe every day. Without forests, without trees in our vicinity, on our environment, it will cause us to breathe bad air. Bad air will cause us to not breathe healthily. I think the main thing is we need to give this knowledge to our friends, our younger brothers or younger sisters, and our sons, daughters, and children in the future about the importance of protecting and preserving our forests. That's all for me. Thank you very much.
Any question? Masya Allah.
Reasons the flooding that happened in Banda Aceh and also Great Aceh for the past weeks in Darul Imarah, right? Ketapang. It might be because of the reduced forests, and also mostly I think because Banda Aceh is not so close to the forest, but it's mostly caused by littering and backlog in the gutter. Our gutters, especially in Banda Aceh, many of them are how to say sumbat, backlogs in the gutters caused from people's everyday home has no flow, or has no way for the water to flow into the river. The government should make better how to say drainage system in Banda Aceh to prevent, and also Great Aceh to prevent flooding. Tend to litter, to throw away garbage everywhere.